welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying if anyone feels that he's doing something wrong, they should go ahead and call the authority. He is saying that someone put up his family's image on TikTok, and that is not right, and his family is not even on social media. So go check the video in its full entirety. Well, it's in its entirety. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel now. Thank you.
You, Jenny, you and that mad person. I'm gonna tell you one more time. All of you need to be. You need straight jackets. You need straight jackets. Imagine my young family member, my young, no more than 10-year-old family member. She has the nerve to go put on. And to my knowledge, I don't know if it's true or not, but someone said my young family is on their TikTok. Like, seriously, why on earth would a fully grown woman want to be speaking or want to be putting a less than a 10-year-old on their TikTok? Like, that makes sense. They're not even on social media. Like, honest to God, I don't know what this lady what she gets out of all of this, trying to tarnish people's character. But whatever she wants to do, go right ahead. I know me who I am, and I must say, if any of you on here feels like I'm doing something I shouldn't be doing, I would encourage you, call the authorities. All right, call the authorities. Don't sit idly by. Don't sit idly by and allow someone to be behaving in a manner to which it is somewhat inhumane. Let me block this one. Let me block this one. You're the germs and you're the cockroach. You're the germs and you're the cockroach who needs to be disintegrated off of my life. And that's exactly what you're gonna get done to you, is disintegration right off my life. Now run along. Some of these people, they have nothing better to do apart from walking around and trying to, and I don't get. And funny thing, I come on the live, right? I come on the live because I have a message for, what's the name? Chocolate and vanilla. Someone needs to screen record this for me and send it to them, right? Chocolate and vanilla, right? This is for you. This is for you. You two. I have nothing against you two. I genuinely don't have nothing against none of you, right? However, we don't interact with each other. You both interact with people I don't want to interact with. So all I did was unfollow you. When I heard you guys was at Donna's, I said, big up to them. And I said, actually, I'm gonna unfollow them too. Because you people, it's not like we support each other, because we don't. I don't come to your lives, you don't come to my life. So why on earth am I gonna continue to follow you people if we don't interact with each other? It makes no sense. And I feel like the both of you already chose your side, and maybe if you guys came to my life, it would make you seem as if you are going against the grapevine, and that is what I didn't want. Hence why, that's why I unfollowed you, right? And it's no ill will, it's no bad blood. I didn't curse you guys. I didn't say nothing negative about you guys. All I said was, yes, big up to you guys for being at Donna's. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. And I just unfollowed you because, I'm finally gonna block this man. I'm gonna block this man. I'm gonna block him. I don't want you back on my live. And you can hold a block. Bye, Miroslav. Bye, Miroslav. Bye. You're not coming back either. Listen, chocolate and vanilla, I don't have nothing against you people. It's just that you guys associate yourself with people to which I want nothing more to do. For the mere fact that you guys don't come to my life anyway, and I don't come to your life, so why on earth am I going to continue to follow you people? Like, it don't make no sense. I only follow people. I follow people I hold in high regards. I follow people I actually respect. And the minute you guys showed me, that you wasn't for me anymore, it's like, I'm like, Dwayne, cut that shit out and just let them go. And I spoke on my live, so you guys would know I definitely unfollowed you. You know, I unfollowed you for my own sanity. I unfollowed you because, again, you people follow people I don't want to associate with. You right? And that's the only reason why I unfollowed you. It's nothing against the two of you. It's just that I just wanted to cut off everyone who affiliated themselves with that respective camp. You know, all of you look down on me already. All of you, including you two, chocolate and vanilla. Because funny thing, I got a screenshot of you guys on this respective platform today. To which I don't wish to name them. However, like, your comments in the comments it's like you was agreeing with what was being said about me. So clearly I did the right thing in unfollowing you guys and just moving on with my life. You know, it's not like I'm ever gonna have any bad blood between me and you guys. It's just that, you know, I feel like I flew that nest, and I just wanted to do my own thing and let you and the others go, right? No ill will, no bad blood, no bad energy. I still wish all of you. Funny thing. You see these people. You know when I realized a lot of them change as well. A lot of them change when the link up happened at that dry award show. That's when a lot of them started to show who they were and acting as if they're bigger than. Go and sit down. None of you are bigger than me. None of you are bigger than me. None of you. Respectfully too. I say that with no apology either, right? And trust me, I saw you people on people's platform today, basically agreeing with everything that person was saying about me. And, I'm like, seriously? And funny thing, I thought you people were bigger than that. I thought you people had more moral.